Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan pizza from scratch. First, let's get started on the dough. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Activate the yeast, then combine all ingredients. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes, then let it rise for about 1 to 1.5 hours. This simple base is crucial for a perfect vegan pizza. Next up, let's talk about the heart of your pizza, the sauce and toppings. A simple, flavorful tomato sauce made with crushed tomatoes, garlic, oregano, and basil works wonderfully. For toppings, the possibilities are endless. Think colorful bell peppers, earthy mushrooms, sweet onions, fresh spinach, and briny olives. Don't forget a sprinkle of vegan mozzarella or nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor. Prepare your vegetables by slicing them thinly for optimal cooking and texture. Choosing the right vegan cheese is key to a satisfying pizza experience. Many excellent store-bought vegan mozzarella shreds are available that melt beautifully, giving you that classic gooey texture. If you prefer a homemade option, a cashew-based cheese sauce offers a rich, creamy alternative. For a simpler, savory kick, nutritional yeast sprinkled directly on top provides a cheesy, umami flavor without the need for melting. Don't be afraid to try a few different options to discover your favorite. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a pizza stone or baking steel, use it for an extra crispy crust. Roll out your dough, spread the sauce, add your delicious toppings, and sprinkle on your vegan cheese. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing into 8 perfect pieces and enjoying your homemade vegan pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.